why?
Here go, Dada.
Okay.
Here go. Here go.
Here.
Keep
Ready. Keep it near the carpet, because otherwise she'll fall on the hard floor. She doesn't know better. Thank you, Matthew. What a helper.
Look that way. Look that way.
Oh.
The gobble. The new gobble.
Dada, go get him. Sorry, baby. Sorry. Uh-oh. She's coming to tuck you in, Matthew. She's coming to tuck you in. Oh, she's looking for you. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? She was looking for you. Oh, she's got the covers. She's playing, Matthew. Where's Dada? Oh. Careful, Matthew. Careful. Don't sit on her. Careful, Matthew. Careful your feet, honey. She's just a baby.
I found the rock.
You did?
I'll try that on that rock.
Okay, lay down, Matthew, so she can come tuck you in. She's laying you down for your nap. Oh, the sun is up?
Yeah.
Oh, she's laying you back down. You do? Oh, she's still ready. She still wants to sleep. Oh, she's waving at you, Matthew. Matthew, she's waving. Can you tell her hi? Okay, we can't put a pillow on top of your sister.
I want that on a block.
No. Do not listen to me.
I want on a block.
Matthew, you can hide, but she can't. You all right? Oh, honey. Tell me what happens.
That rock.
Matthew, look at my face. Matthew? Matthew, here, Dad. Whoa.
No, mine. No, mine.
She can't play with you anymore?
No.
Oh, no. Matthew, no. On the soft, come and lay on the carpet. Catherine, come lay down on your pillow. Come lay down. Hi. Come lay down. You want to lay on the pillow? You want to lay on the pillow? Yeah? Catherine. Okay, Matthew, I told you.